Welcome back to Bike Update, your trusted source for all things on wheels. While we usually focus on two-wheelers, today we're shifting gears to bring you a deep dive into something big and bold, the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or looking to live life on the road, this latest release from Chevy could be your next adventure vehicle. Design and build. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome sports a refreshed exterior design that blends rugged utility with modern aesthetics. Built on Chevy's proven chassis platform, the Motorhome features sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic edges, and a durable body meant to withstand long hauls. It comes in multiple lengths and configurations, catering to solo travelers and full families alike. Interior features and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, tech-forward interior. With upgraded insulation, premium seating, and modular furniture, comfort is clearly a priority. The Motorhome includes a smart entertainment system, climate control, and even solar-ready connectivity. A new layout allows for better flow between the kitchen, sleeping quarters, and lounge areas, ideal for extended stays on the road. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers a fuel-efficient V8 engine with optional hybrid assist, providing more torque and better mileage than previous versions. With improved suspension and stability controls, highway cruising feels smoother and safer. Chevy's advanced driver assist features also come standard, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. Tech and connectivity. Tech lovers will appreciate the full infotainment suite, complete with a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Remote diagnostics, over-the-air updates, and a dedicated mobile app give owners complete control, even when they're miles from the nearest town. Final thoughts. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome is a well-rounded package that strikes the right balance between mobility, comfort, and modern tech. For those ready to embrace van life or elevate their camping game, this model makes a compelling case. It's Chevy's boldest motorhome yet, and it's built for those who see the road as home. Outro. That's it for today's update on Bike Update. Let us know in the comments if you take the 2025 Chevy Motorhome on your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates from the world of vehicles, two wheels or four.